In this video, we are going to address a very important problem, that is if your browser is unable to download any file. For example, I want to just download this file that I have received in the email. And once I click on download, it shows the download here initially. As you can see, it shows the download, but nothing is downloaded here actually. Even if I check my downloads, nothing is there. So this is a very frustrating issue. You see the download, but nothing is being downloaded. So how we can resolve this? The problem is usually with the date. So as you can see, date is stuck at a particular year or particular date that is different from the current one. So what you have to do is just right click here, click on adjust date and time, and make sure the system date is up to date. Turn this on, set time zone automatically and set time automatically, and it will immediately switch to the current date and time. After that, just try accessing the same file, try the download, and it should download perfectly. So that's how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.